Welcome back. This is the second part of my video. Is principally about the students in the platform Edmodo. First, if you are a teacher, you must make the activities, make classes, for example, exam, and each activity have a code. For example, in this case, the group code is one moment. This is the group code. Yes, it's important to share this code with the students, for they can stay in this activity. You could copy directly the code, or share a PDF with instructions about how to get in the class, or invite by email. For example, we have the email. Email is germankaiser5 at hotmail.com. Okay, and send. I have sent an invitation. Okay, we have the email here from germankaiser5 hotmail, and could see the invitation. One moment. This is my Edmodo, like a teacher, and this is another enter to Edmodo. Yes, here we sign up for a free account. Okay, he asks us about if we are teachers, students, or parents. Yes, in this moment, student. And select location. It's about the country. For example, call Colombia. Okay, this is my country. Next. Class or school code. Yes, the class code is, this is the class code. Username, Germán Darío, this is my name. Email address is here. Password is a strong password, it's not weak. Email is already taken because I have an account yet. Okay, this is bad. Then I must get in with my account. Just now create a new account with the same email. I must log in. Email. This is my email. Okay. My internet is so bad. I'm sorry. My email. Don't need that. The password is is correct. I don't know, don't remember. Yes, this is my new account, like an student. The homepage is similar to the teachers. The difference is that backpack is for take files or links or several information. What do you need in the future? Okay. The more is the same. Okay, this is the activity. Some activities like the teacher shared with us. With the quiz results, I make the quiz already. I'm sorry. Quiz results. I can see it. 1 point, 1 point good. Review the quiz. This is my answer is correct, 1 to 1 and 100%. Okay. The information must be in the teacher's homepage. I go tan homepage. One submission. One submission is about my another account. 100% is the score. Is excellent. It's so graphic. You can see. Then no more. Just like that, a student can make an activity and send it to the teacher. Is automatically so good. I really like this platform, this virtual environment to make classes or take classes or make learning activities. It's so good, so easy to use. Okay, bye. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.